بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most compassionate.
والعاديات ضبحا.
By the horses that charge snorting.
فالموريات قدحا.
Then raise sparks of fire by their hoofs.
فالمغيرات صبحا.
Then raid by the dawn.
فأثرن به نقعا.
And blaze a trail of dust.
فوسطن به جمعا.
And penetrate deep into a host.
إن الإنسان لربه لكنود.
Verily, man is most ungrateful to his Lord.
وإنه على ذلك لشهيد.
And he himself is a witness to that.
وإنه لحب الخير لشديد.
And surely he loves riches with a passionate loving.
أفلا يعلم إذا بعثر ما في القبور.
Is he not aware that when whatever lies buried in the graves is overthrown,
وحصل ما في الصدور.
and the secrets of the hearts are laid bare and examined,
إن ربهم بهم يومئذ لخبير.
surely on that day will their Lord be fully informed about them.